Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna share a very inspiring story with you, which is gonna tell you that answer to very complicated questions is quite simple. What happened is a small boy, मतलब 11-12 साल का होगा. He once asked a wise old man that what is the difference between the successful and unsuccessful people. That is the question that comes to our brain also, है ना? Why only some people are able to crack NEET or JEE? Why only some people are able to get into the top IITs? Why only some people are successful and others are not? What's the basic difference? And we kind of complicate it a lot. वो पढ़ता होगा, उसका ब्रेन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा, वो बहुत होशियार है एंड ऑल. But the answer could be very simple. So what happened? Let's come back to the story. So what happened? The boy asked him, what is the basic difference? What is the secret to success? The wise man thought that the boy seems quite curious. So he thought ki I would explain it by an illustration. So he called him the next morning. He called him at the river side, and boy was, of course, he was matlab surprised ki what will happen at the river side, yaar. He went riverside, of course. The wise man then asked him to walk into the river, and of course they started walking into the river. They went on walking into the river until the water was past, until the point where water was past their noses and water was touching their eyes and noses and all. At that point, the wise man asked the boy to stop, and the boy was again, he just started looking around. Then the wise man, to his surprise, to the boy's surprise, the wise man pushed his head into the water. He kept on pushing him into the water. The boy, of course, he would have gotten very shocked for a second, and then of course he started struggling for air. He started struggling to get out of the water at any cost. Then the wise man, he kept on pushing him into the water, and the small boy, he kept on struggling. And finally, after some moments, the wise man, he pulled him out the water. Of course, the boy took a deep breath and he was very infuriated. He asked the old man, why would you do this to me, yaar? Ye kya kar rahe the tum? I was just asking you about the secret of the success, and this is what you do to me. So the wise man started smiling, and he had a calm smile on his face, and he just asked the boy, what were you doing when you were inside the water? What were you fighting for? The boy said, of course, I was fighting for air. I just wanted to get air at any cost. I wanted to breathe. So then the wise man asked him, what if I kept on pushing you inside? What if I hadn't pulled you outside? The boy replied, of course, I would have kicked you away. I would have just pushed you away, and I would have gotten out of the water at any cost because I wanted air so badly. The wise man said, that's the answer. That's the difference. That's the secret to success. If you want to attain something, you have to want it as badly as you want air, as badly as a drowning man wants air. So people, success is actually directly proportional to the intensity of your desire. So if you actually want to crack JEE or NEET, you have to make yourself want it so badly that nothing stops you. You become unstoppable. You just keep on putting your effort. ओके, डू नॉट थिंक कि दूसरे कर पा रहे हैं, दूसरों का वो तो बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है यार. यू जस्ट पुट योर एफर्ट्स ना. हो सकता है आपको ज़्यादा एफर्ट डालना पड़े, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जस्ट गो ऑन डूइंग द हार्ड वर्क. So think about what you really desire. Make yourself want the things badly. Just you can also go a little crazy about them. Okay, just जब भी कुछ negativity आए ना, whenever you get some demotivation, just kick it away and start thinking, start imagining yourself that you are actually going into the top IIT. Your father is so happy. Your teachers are so proud of you. Your father is telling others. Your father who was earlier scolding you, who has always scolded you, now he is telling to his friends that I knew that my son could do it. I always knew that he could do it. I was just pushing him a little. And the NEET people, think about, you are wearing that white coat and you are saving others people's life, and people are thanking you. Thank you, doctor. Of course, doctors are saviors of the life. The immense pleasure that you get, and when you have gotten 95 above percentage, that I can tell you because I have felt that. So that thing gives you immense pleasure that you cannot describe it. Make yourself want it. Think about getting all of these and just start putting your efforts. Do not let your mindset, do not let your inner peace, do not let your hard work affected by what other people are thinking. So people, just tell yourself, if others can do it, you can also do it. Trust yourself. Success is all yours when you want it. So all the best.